Hi there. My name is Billy and I am the voice of the Gadgets Club YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk to you about SociFeed. Watch this video to the end to get the full SociFeed review and to see if this software is worth investing in. Pay close attention because I am going to show you the inside of SociFeed, what you can create with this software, and you will be able to see the videos I've created with this tool. You probably saw an ad and you are wondering if SociFeed is worth buying. Well, stay with me for a few minutes and you will find out. I will show you the SociFeed dashboard next. SociFeed has quite an easy dashboard. From here you have access to all the features. To start, click on the Design tab and you will be able to create your first designs using this software. To create your design, choose a background. And add some text and some elements if you want. The text is easy to customize, as you can see. You will be able to save your design as a PNG file. And now let's move to the so-called automatic video function. To create videos, choose the Video tab and fill in the fields. Choose a category, a music track, type a tag, select how many videos you want, and choose the quotes position. In a few seconds, you will have your videos ready. The only problem is that these videos are really ugly. I can make way cooler videos using Canva's free plan or by using an online tool called FlexClip. Booth's Canva and FlexClip have better looking templates and designs than SociFeed. So my advice is to save your money and don't buy SociFeed. Check the links in the description to see better alternatives for creating videos for social media. Next, watch my videos made with SociFeed. I consider them ugly, but maybe you will like them. Just see what kind of videos are made with SociFeed software.